Alright, so today's video is all about choosing a bulk SMS provider. Wondering which SMS provider you need? The truth is there are a lot, yes, a whole lot. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to use Haptel. Yes, Haptel is the best, and here are why. Why Haptel? And in this video, we are looking at 5 reasons why Haptel is the best. But before that, disclaimer. Now, this video is in no by any way sponsored by Haptel, or they have no hand in it. It is for educational purposes only, and it's not sponsored by Haptel. Now let's go to the reasons. Reason number 1 is their 24/7 reliable customer service. Haptel has a reliable customer service, even to the extent that if you call and they are not able to pick up, they would waste another time and call you back. They have the best reliable service so far. Number 2 is the simple UI. UI here simply means user interface. Their user interface is so simple that a beginner who has not even used the app can use it and use it for whatever he wants to use it for. Now, the third step is affordable charges. It will marvel you that Haptel only charges 2 Ghana pesos for an SMS, which is very, very cheap as compared to other bulk SMS providers. The next reason is it is international, and you can send message to anybody else in this globe or on this world. Last reason here is safe and risk-free. Messages sent using Haptel are very, very safe, and you don't need to worry about the security of your. Alright, so for a bonus reason, it's free. Yes, Haptel is free, and it's also available on the Google Play Store and App Store. So if you've not yet downloaded Haptel, just do so right now. Download Haptel on your phone before you continue this bulk SMS journey. This is Meryl Multimedia. Just like this video, subscribe and share this video to keep us going so that you keep you updated with more stuff. Thank you.